Today's for number 21 ponytail t-shirt. Before explaining, if you want to purchase flying machine or need a program course or a sweater calculation sheet course, tell me so what's up. Let's check out the manufacturing process now. I use 12-gauge machine to knit this fabric with one strand of yarn. Knit a sample with the knitting machine. Wash, dry, and iron it. We can measure the density then. The horizontal density is 180 needles divided by 22.5 equals 8 needles per centimeter. The vertical density is 120 rotations divided by 25.2 equals 4.76 rotations per centimeter. Horizontal density for 1 times 1 rib is 180 needles divided by 23 equals 7.8 needles per centimeter. The vertical density for 1 times 1 rib is 30 divided by 4.2 equals 7.1 rotations per centimeter. When density has been measured, make a sweater outline in the calculation sheet software. Transfer the data into the HPDS. Start your program. If you want to purchase knitting machine, tell me so what's up. When the program process is over, make 1 part, 5 parts, 2 sleeves, draw a top rope with these parts, and sew these parts together with the knitting machine. Dry the yarn into the sweater, wash and hydrate it, put it into the dryer for 20 minutes. Iron it and the t-shirt has been made. If you need sweater belts and shoe parameters, or want to purchase second-hand flying machine, tell me so what's up.